Trial for an Austin police officer charged with murder will take place in Travis County despite his attorney's wishes. This afternoon, a judge denied the defense's request for a change of venue following an all-day hearing yesterday.
And KXAN's Brianna Hollis joins us now as she continues to really follow this case for us as it, Bree, makes its way through the courts.
Yeah, so the defense argued that there was too much pretrial publicity in this case and that too many biased opinions had already formed. And tonight we take a look at what judges consider in cases like this. How common is it for judges to grant change of venue requests?
It is not very common at all.
Former Travis County prosecutor Alan Bennett says a judge has to be mindful of the court's resources, and moving a trial out of county is a heavy lift.
Time in a courtroom is precious, and it is not to be wasted.
According to the Travis County District Attorney's Office, as far as the current administration knows, only 2 cases have ever been granted a change of venue in Travis County. They were both in the 90s, the official misconduct case of former state senator Kay Bailey Hutchinson and the capital murder case of serial killer Kenneth McDuff. Going back to Taylor's case.
Stop right there! Stop right there!
Police found Mike Ramos at a South Austin apartment complex in April 2020 when they responded to a report of someone who had a gun dealing drugs in a car. This body camera video shows Ramos initially complying with officers' commands, but then he stopped. An officer then fired a beanbag round at Ramos, and police say he got back into the car and tried to drive away, which is when police say Officer Taylor fired his gun, shooting and killing Ramos. Judge Dana Blasey ultimately ruled Friday the defense did not succeed in proving the courts could not find a fair jury in this case. And Christopher Taylor is currently on leave with APD, and the trial will start on October 16th here in Travis County.
Okay, and we know that this isn't the first procedural back and forth we've had with this case. A judge actually ordered a mistrial during jury selection?
That's right. The trial was supposed to start in May, but there were several snags with the jury selection process. The court was actually unable to seat a jury, resulting in the judge ordering that mistrial. And I sat in for some of that jury selection. As you can imagine, pretty strong opinions on both sides of this. Some people even admitting they couldn't be fair and impartial because of those thoughts. There were also some scheduling conflicts because the jury selection happened the week before Memorial Day. And taking all these factors into consideration, the judge will now call larger jury pools this time around.
All right, Brianna Hollis, thank you so much for your coverage. As we